guys are enjoying this, comment below if you are really enjoying the makeup marathon. And so we're going to end this series with, we just did finishing sprays and we did perfumes. And there's only two other things that I want to recommend, and that is obviously things that once you're doing your hair and your hands. For my hair this year, I have to say I have really enjoyed Pureology's Color Fanatic, and what it basically is a multitasking leave-in spray for color treated hair, and I really have liked it because of the texture, the softening. I wouldn't really call this a styling product. It is really just a moisture protectant type, and it's 100% vegan, 100% anti-fade, and what does it say it does? It primes the hair for color. It's a conditioner. It's a blowout product. It protects, helps split ends, prevent breakage, helps against heat damage. Of course, we're all looking for that. And it perfects. It smooths out the surface, creates silkiness. It controls frizz. I mean, when your hair fizzes, when it frizzes. So this is a really good all-round product. Again, it's Pureology, so it's a little expensive, but I gotta say, if I'm going to use those other products, to have it all in one that's a protectant, one that's an anti-frizz, one that is a conditioner, leave-in conditioner spray, one that helps you style your hair. This does all of that. So it kind of saves you money that this is the only product I use. I don't use the other individual products anymore. Then for Hairspray, it's kind of a toss-up between three, and I literally am out of the can, so I can't show it to you, but it's from Time THYME, and it's the Selfie Spray. And y'all, it is like the best as far as when you spray it, your hair stays put. It's going to stay in place exactly what you did. That's what's fixing to happen. Because I've got Hairsprays, y'all, I'm going to blow out this candle. Hold on one second. Oh, I hate that smell, though. Hate it. Reminds me of a birthday party with this little girl, and I blew out the candles, and the party was over, and I would cry. It's a bad memory. Oh, there's that smell. Anyway, it kind of blows the entire scent that you had in the room when you blow it out. I used to use a snuffer, but it still causes the smoke to come. Okay, so Selfie Time, made by Time Beauty. I really do like their shampoo and conditioner as well. And I've showed y'all that all in a separate video. So that's my #1 favorite hairspray for really making sure the style stays. Second to it, and probably not as much gluiness to it. I mean, because when you use Selfie Time, honey, it's staying put. But you could not get your hand through your hair. One that you still could is Sebastian Shaper, and I do really like it. And the one that's a little stronger is Shaper Plus. It's closer to the Time Beauty. I mean, the Time Hairspray, the Selfie Hairspray. So I like Shaper Plus. It's really good. And then Redken's Triple Take 32. And that's what I used today. And it's still, you can see, it's still got movement. But it's, I'm stuck. You know, it's definitely got the style holding out. And the thing about, it's got about 32 is it's got 3 little sprays. So you really have to hold it out because it sprays straight and almost like a stream versus a spray, a diffused spray. This is more of a diffused spray, and I do need to redo my little bang right there, so we'll just lift that up a little bit and spray it right in place. Yeah. So those are my perfumes that I love, and again, you know, with the Allure, this I've showed y'all this one a lot lately. This is Chanel Allure. It's a very sweet, comforting, kind of homey but pretty smell. The Louis Vuitton I wore a lot this spring and summer, but actually it was summer and then on into fall and winter, and I couldn't stop using it. It smells like beach time. It is very orange blossom and something else. I love it. It's expensive. I'm going to go and get one before they stop making it again. And I love the yellow color. I put this ribbon on. It didn't come with the ribbon. That came from a Louis Vuitton wallet that I had. But my Old Faithful is definitely my Boucheron, and it is, again, these are expensive perfumes, I have to say. At least lesser expensive ones, I would have to say I really do like Lovely by Sarah Jessica Parker. And I also like Stella by Tocca. T-O-C-C. Is it O-A or just A? T-O-C-C-O-A. Anyway, Stella. And it's Stella's very similar to Allure. So, and by the way, if you get Allure, remember there's two. It has that kind of goldy, rose goldy lid, not the white silver one because I don't like that one. But anyway, and this is the Eau de Parfum, not the Eau de Toilette. They do have different scents. Whereas in the Boucheron, this is also Eau de Parfum, and I believe this is also, yes, this is also Eau de Parfum. Because they're different oils and different levels of the scent in there. It's just different. So I do like some Eau de Toilettes. Like, for instance, the Mademoiselle Eau de Toilette, I actually like better. I take that back, because the last Coco Mademoiselle that I liked from Chanel was the Intense. So it's actually stronger. But anyway. Okay, so there's that. And last but not least, hand creams. Y'all know my number one go-to hand cream that I keep in my purse, or like the face spray, is my Chanel Body Excellence Precision. I keep trying to find more of this on eBay. I had a friend who bought me some and said, I know you love this. I bought it for you. I'm like, oh my gosh, let me pay you back. And they were like, no, 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 it's going to be your gift. I love this stuff. I love the way it smells. I think the new hand cream and I've had 2 of them now that look like the little egg that fits in your hand. It does not smell the same. And to me, it's a little more watery. This is a little more creamy, but oh my gosh, it smells so good. It's just like the face spray. It just picks me up, y'all, when I use it. I just love it, love it, love it. Hands down my favorite. I can't believe they've gotten rid of it. Just makes me angry when brands do that, but whatever. Okay. Another balm that I've really enjoyed is the Absolute Balm made by Mint. And this is a hydrating oil. It's a serum for face, body, and hair. And it's also a topical salve. It's ultra hydrating, multi-purpose, semi-solid oil. And I have to tell you, it says it's organic, antioxidant-rich blend of East African shea nilotica, coconut, manoi, and argan oil. And it literally melts as you're putting it on. It literally melts. So I've put it on before early in the morning. After I wash my face and everything, I just rub it on my hands, rub it on my face, even under my eyes, over my hair, on my hands. This is just a great multi-purpose balm, I would call it. It's called the Absolute Balm. And salve, hand lotion, whatever you want to call it. I still like this the best. It's probably mental more than anything. But this really is a great product. I don't remember the cost, but anyway, it's by Mint, M-E-A-N-T. Lately, when me and my husband went to the Cancer Treatment Center, and I went into their gift shop, because I always do that to see what they've got, I got this I can't say it, Trilipiderm hand cream. And it says it's an all-body moisture retention cream with vitamin D, a broad spectrum 30. So again, when you start using face serums and treatments that have retinol in them, you must use a foundation that has an SPF 30 or higher. This has an SPF 30 right in the balm. And so you can use this for hand cream. You know, a really good use of this, because it is so deeply moisturizing, you won't believe it. It doesn't have a scent that your husband doesn't, or boyfriend, or whatever, if you ever share a lotion. With anybody that doesn't like a fragrance, some girls don't like fragrances either. This is great for anybody and for any part of the body. My dad's heels crack, and we put it on there, and it has helped him. My husband's hands crack because he is, for one thing, we're all washing our hands constantly, and we're using alcohol 70% or higher sanitizer, which really dries out your skin. So once you get home and wash your hands really well, and you're going to be home for a while, put your hand cream on, or put it on your feet. And I could even use this, you know, for my face. This is just such a, I don't know what Trilipiderm is. It's copyrighted, or whatever you called. But it says apply liberally 15 minutes before sun exposure. So it has active ingredients that would protect you from the sun and other things. It helps prevent sunburn, but also it really is a good moisturizer. My husband's hands were soft after one use. When you first put it on, it feels a little bit greasy, but it absorbs so quick into the skin. It's like, where did it go? It went into your skin, and it really moisturizes it. So this is a really great all over for anybody. Mint is a really good M-E-A-N-T all over for, I would say, this predominant girl. It has a girly smell to it, and also the packaging. Look at the difference. It's very, very different. But they both work incredibly. They're both around 20 bucks a piece, so they're not cheap, but they are so usable all over your body. And of course, like I said, my absolute fave is my Chanel. This is what goes in my purse, just like my face spray. I have to have it. And that, my friends, have I covered everything? I think I have. And now I have my face makeup on, which I needed to have, you know. I think that's it. Did I show y'all hair products, perfumes, lotions, all my eye and face makeup? I think that's it. And of course, always, always put on a pair of earrings. Y'all, it gives you such a finished look to have on a pair of earrings. Sometimes I'll put on my lipstick, liner, and a pair of earrings before I get in front of a Zoom call, just because people are like, oh, Beth, you look so put together. I'm like, I just have on a pair of earrings. These are those ones that I think I got this from Plunder Design, which I have had the annual subscription for this whole year. I don't know if I'm going to do it again next year or not. I feel like I've got enough jewelry. I don't really need to. And a lot of times I was able to use them as gifts. But it also, I got the matching necklace with it. So you can see, if y'all remember when I said these earrings are a little long, but I do like them the way they match. It's a little too matchy-matchy. Some of you said I'd wear one or the other, not both, but I'm just wearing both today. I may get my little jewelry pliers and take this one loop off and bring this up to that. I think that's what I'm going to do. The fact that that hits right there at my fatty place, I'm like, I don't like that. I think this is a better length for me. Anyway, I hope y'all have enjoyed this past year, and I hope you're going to enjoy the next. We'll go through what we got to go through together in the name of Jesus. And I love you guys and appreciate your support so much. And let's enjoy the day while we can. I love y'all so much. I'll see you again soon.